welcome back. And if you're new here, I'm Tiffany. And today, we are going to take Goodwill frames and we're going to turn them into spooky Halloween frames. But in the meantime, can you look at my cute little cup? Oh my gosh, it's so cute! So, keep watching. And if you're not subscribed, subscribe! Mwah!
Alright, so step one, guys, is we are going to go to the Dollar Tree and we're going to get little witches' fingers and little snakes and skeletons, and then we're going to head off to Goodwill and we're going to get a bunch of old picture frames that are super cheap. I wanted to do something this year that I could remember my Halloween family since I couldn't have my party. So this is the before shot of the wall, and then this is the after shot of the wall of all the Halloween pictures from the previous years. So I'm going to start out with a Waverly chalk paint in steel and gray, and I'm just going to paint this picture frame. Alright, now we're just going to glue some skeletons to this one. Keep it real plain. The simpler, the better. And then on this other one, we're going to glue some snakes. Now I'm going to start out with a Waverly chalk paint in black. I'm going to just paint this frame up. Now I'm just going to wrap this one in some ribbon. This was a plastic ribbon that I used, and I'm just going to wrap it through. And again, here we are with that chalk paint, and I didn't clean off the black off of my brush. I'm going to go ahead and leave it on there because then it's going to give me like a two-tone effect that's going to look really cool, especially for Halloween frames. Now I'm just going to glue on spiders and different bugs, and that one will make this one complete. This next one I'm just going to paint basic red, and then I'm just going to glue 2 eyeballs on it. Again, I cannot say this enough. The simpler, the better, especially when it comes to Halloween. Any chance I have to add little eyeballs into flowers, I'm on it. Now, after I added the eyeballs to this frame, I went ahead and painted that inside. I painted it black just to make it look a little bit better. Now these are the rings that little kids put on their fingers, and I thought it would be super cute to put those on. Now it's just time to hang up all these frames. I miss my Halloween family so much. I cannot wait to see them next year. And I promised all of them next year's party is going to be bigger and better. everybody looks. I cannot wait to see them. I miss them so much. Alright guys, so that's it for today. I hope you had a great time. So in the meantime, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and you can keep coming back and seeing my beautiful face, darling. So, I'll see you later. Mwah!